Ever wondered what's better for muscle growth, light weights or heavy weights? It's a question that has sparked fiery debates in the world of fitness. Some folks swear by the power of heavy weights, believing that the only way to gain muscle is to lift as much as you possibly can. On the other hand, others champion the cause of light weights, arguing that it's not about how much you lift, but how you lift it. This age-old debate is riddled with misconceptions. Many believe that lifting heavy leads to bulkier muscles while light weights are for those aiming for a leaner look. But is this really the case? Is it possible that these beliefs are based on half-truths and oversimplifications? The weight debate is a complex one, with a myriad of factors coming into play. It's not as black and white as many would have you believe. So how do we decide which one is better? Let's delve deeper into this. Light weights, often overlooked, pack quite the punch when it comes to muscle growth. They are the unsung heroes of the workout world, the underdogs that deserve more spotlight. Engaging with light weights increases muscular endurance, allowing your muscles to work for longer periods. This kind of workout can lead to well-defined, toned muscles that scream of strength and stamina. Furthermore, light weights carry a lower risk of injury, making them an exceptional choice for those who value safety along with gains. However, it's not all roses. Light weights may not contribute significantly to muscle size. If you're chasing those bulging biceps or colossal quads, you might need to lift heavier. Moreover, workouts with light weights can often demand longer durations, requiring more of your precious time. Despite these potential downsides, light weights offer a safer and more sustainable approach to muscle growth. But what about heavy weights? Heavy weights, the go-to for most bodybuilders, have their own set of pros and cons. If you're looking to beef up, heavy weights are your best bet. They're renowned for their ability to stimulate muscle growth and increase strength. With these bad boys, you can achieve your goals in shorter workout durations. However, like a double-edged sword, heavy weights come with their own set of risks. The heavier the weight, the higher the risk of injury. Poor form and overexertion can lead to strains, sprains, and even more serious injuries. Also, heavy weights may not be the best choice for everyone. Beginners, or those with certain physical conditions, may find them overwhelming. It's crucial to listen to your body and progress at your own pace rather than jumping in at the deep end. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a bodybuilder's physique. Heavy weights can lead to impressive muscle growth, but it's not without its risks. So, light weights or heavy weights, which should you choose for muscle growth? We've explored the benefits and drawbacks of both, and the takeaway is that there's no one-size-fits-all answer. It all boils down to your personal goals, physical condition, and preference. If you're looking to build endurance or tone your muscles, light weights might be your best bet. On the other hand, if you're after sheer size and strength, heavy weights could be the way to go. But remember, neither will be effective without the other key ingredient: proper nutrition. Your body needs fuel to grow, and that's where supplements come into play. They can provide you with the necessary proteins, vitamins, and minerals to aid muscle growth and recovery. From whey protein to creatine, these supplements can be a valuable addition to your fitness routine, regardless of your weight choice. Remember, whether it's light weights or heavy weights, consistent effort and proper nutrition are key to muscle growth.